Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh cake because it is almost my birthday and I'm turning 11 years old. And let's face it, everybody loves to make cakes. Here's what you need to get started. You need white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple Play-Doh. I also like to use a cookie cutter or a Play-Doh cutter, whatever you have, but today I'm going to be using both. Let's get started. First, I'm going to be starting off with the base of the cake. Now for the center. I'm making a 3-tiered cake, so this is going to be my top. I'm going to be using small little balls in the rainbow color, but you can decorate it however you'd like. It's my birthday, so I obviously need a candle, and to help my candle stick up a little bit, I'm going to be using a toothpick. To create the flame on the candle, I'm going to mix a little bit of red Play-Doh and a little bit of yellow Play-Doh, because it gives it more of that fiery look. I hope you guys liked it, and remember, you can make it bigger or smaller, and you can use any kind of design that you'd like. Be sure to come back here and see what I'm creating next time on Happy Kids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.